Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make all TikTok videos private at once. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. Sometimes you want to make all your videos private, but how can you do it all at once? So the first way is to make your account private. Go to the TikTok and click in the upper right corner, go to settings and privacy, then select privacy, and on this page you can make your account private. It is indicated that only approved subscribers see the video in a private account. If you are satisfied with this feature and solves your problem, you can enable it. And there is a second way. Go back and scroll down, select report a problem, scroll down and click report. In your message we write, hello, I want to make all my videos private, please help me solve this problem. Click submit and wait for a while. The technical support staff will see your request and solve your problem in the near future. That's how easy it is. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.